Guys, holy crap, I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in so long, and I am so sorry about that. But we have so much to, well, not really so much to talk about. We have kind of a lot of things to talk about. Guys, okay, hello, how do I look? Do I look good? Does everything look in focus? Is everything in things or whatever? Okay, whatever, it doesn't matter, it's fine. I think I'm going in and out of lighting, but it's whatever. Let me fix this hat. Whatever. Guys, we have, as you can see, I'm talking in an empty room, and that's because I moved. If you guys are wondering where I've been, it's because I moved, and I haven't really had time to make videos. That happened. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, hey Brandon, where's your videos been? I've been busy as hell. So friggin' moving is always hectic with me. It's never easy. If you guys follow the channel, you know from OGs, you know that I moved multiple times, whatever. Doesn't matter, I moved. That's where I've been. I'm sorry. Hey, I'm back. Hi guys, I missed you. And it is spring. Oh my God, spring is finally here, and it is a beautiful 30 degrees outside. But that doesn't matter. Anyways, today we have a lot. Oh, but before I get into what we're doing today, I'm also this week or next week. Next week there will be no video either, and I'm sorry for that. And that's because I'm going on vacation. Actually, there might be a video. If you guys want to see my vacation trip, I'm going on a cruise with my family. We're all going out to the Bahamas. The Bahamas is gonna be sick. We're going on a cruise. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a lot of fun. If you guys want me to bring the camera, leave it down below. I'll do an edit of the cruise and a vlog or whatever. If you guys want to see that, I'll bring it. I don't care. If you don't, then I won't post one. Whatever. It's up to you guys. Let me know. If I get enough comments or enough feedback, I'll make a video. If I don't, then I'm not gonna make a video, and I'll see you guys when I get back. But with that being said, today we are installing actually a lot of things. Hold that thought. Hold on. I'll be right back. Oh wait, with the power of editing? Whatever. One of the things that we're installing today are these. These are little, I don't know if this is like backwards or not for you guys. I don't really think about that. Because the way I'm looking at it is mirrored. So, hold on. Alright, that might be better. So these are Legacy GT 3D printed like STI logos, and these are basically going to be my new badges. So if you guys know, my trunk is debadged, and we are just going to basically 3M tape this on. I got to run to Home Depot and get some 3M tape, wash the trunk, and kind of just slap this on. One for the trunk, and I got one for the front grill. So yeah, we got badges. I'm pretty hyped on these. I hope that these aren't too big for the front grill. We're gonna put a JDM front grill. We're gonna see. We're gonna mess around with it. But yeah, it's 3M tape. Stick it on. That's all your OEM badges are stuck on with anyway. So just a little double-sided tape. Put it on. Done deal. We got custom LGT STI font Legacy GT badges. It's gonna be sick. The other thing that I have is, I don't have it here with me right now, it's in the garage, but the other thing that I have is I have JDM spats, guys. One of my videos I put, if you guys could guess the JDM part that I got, they're JDM spats. So if you guys don't know what spats look like, I will leave a cooler picture of a better looking car than mine right now. So yeah, that's basically, if you guys look, it's like where the mud flaps go. I'm debating if I should take my mud flaps off completely and just run the JDM spats. I think I might do that instead of having the whole rally look, because I'm not rallying my car anytime soon. So though that should be an easy install as well, because I read online that a lot of people kind of just 3M tape those onto, or they have like factory holes where you could put like, they should line up with certain things. But for extra security, people usually self-tap them, which I'm not gonna do, or they just 3M tape them. And before everyone's like, oh, they're gonna fall off 3M tape, oh my God, like they're not gonna fall off, because if you guys are an OG, I had the Outback flares, and those were double-sided taped on my car, and those never flew off, and that was way more wind resistant than I'll get where that is. So that's pretty much the day and the news, because where I've been and why I've been making videos, even though it's only been a week. Because this week, I'll technically make a video for this week, even though I'm filming now, but it's probably gonna go live tomorrow. But that's the plan anyway for today. So we're gonna get dressed now. We're gonna go to Home Depot. We're gonna get some tape, or not tape. We're gonna get some double-sided tape, and then we're gonna install these parts. Oh, there's another part too. Well, it's kind of just a fix. I'll show you that later. We're gonna slide that in here somewhere. But yeah, let's go get some 3M tape and change the look of the car, I guess. Hopefully it looks different. I mean, we'll see. Yeah. Let's go. Got a little cold stuff for you guys. Another cool thing I picked up are these Legacy GT jet tags. So they say, like, I mean not GT, just Legacy jet tags. They say Legacy on them, and then if you flip it around, it has the L7 on there. It's pretty sick. These tags, I got two. I put one as like a like an ornament. Oh, that'll focus. There you go. So I have one just hanging as an ornament on like a old air freshener string, stretchy string. So it kind of just sits there. I think it's pretty cool. It's a little flavor for the car. And yeah, let's go get some tape. So I told you that I picked these up, but I never plugged who makes them. So my friend Ruben makes these. He makes all like cool Legacy merch. That's where all like my Legacy shirts and everything comes from. He makes them all. He just released these Legacy jet tags. I'm pretty sure they're sold out now, but I will leave his website in the description below. You guys can follow him, and he posts some cool Legacy stuff. So check them out and pick one of these up, because they're pretty dope and really high quality. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I'm chilling at the same spot where I did the mud flap install, this little garage lit up area, even though it's not really dark yet because daylight savings time happens, so it gets dark later. But first thing we're going to do is I picked up some 3M tape. Oh, I'll show you guys. 3M tape. This is like industrial super hold, whatever the fuck. So we're going to lay it out on the badges first. That's going to be number one. We're going to lay it on the badges and then stick the badges on, and then we're getting into the JDM flap. So let's do that first. Alright, so this is the LGT. All we did was do a simple fucking, there's not really special to it. We're just going to do this. I'm going to heat it up actually in the car using the heat just a little bit, and then we're going to peel it back and stick it on. And that's going to be our new badge. So the second LGT logo, like the badge, it was too big for the JDM grill. I didn't really like the way it looked. It was just too large. It didn't really look right. Maybe I'll have the guy print up like a smaller version of it to put in the front. But so I put it here. I don't know, temporarily. It looks pretty cool, I think. And this, if you're wondering, still opens. Yes, it still opens. You can get in there. Just have easy pass. But I thought that was pretty cool. I was gonna put it here, like on the glove box, but it was like, because it's like this, it doesn't really sit well, but it looks pretty cool. Material looks nice. The leggy everything, LGT, leggy gang, you know what I'm saying? Leggy everything. We have a pretty good black and red theme going on, or silver and red theme going on right now, so I might just stick with that. I don't know, we'll see. But that looks pretty dope. Alright, so the custom badges are on. These are the JDM spats. They're not in the greatest condition, but when you see them on the side, they're pretty good. The bottom has scrapes, but that's normal. I'm sure you're gonna have scrapes and stuff on the bottom side. Overall, they're in pretty good, decent shape. Come to the conclusion that these are the fronts because they're larger on the bottom, so they like fit underneath the side skirts, and these are the rears. That's my evaluation. We're gonna attempt to take the mud flaps off, and then we'll line these up. So let's do that. Alright guys, so the JDM spats, they're not gonna happen today. I'm sorry. It's way too cold out, and I really don't want to fuck these up because they're gonna change the look of the car completely. And I got it like 3M tape, like really nice around the edges, so it looks really nice and clean. And it's too cold for all that right now, and I really don't want things flying off, especially those, because they're actually really expensive for those little fucking things. So instead, I said I had some other things to do. We were gonna fix this vent. So I'll show you guys. Hold on, look. So this vent here, right? This holds my my access port. But when I bought the car, it's broken, as you can see. It's just literally, it's. Oh my God! Now I won't do it, right? So it's like it's broken. So it's literally falling apart in all of which way. It's just crap. So in here I got a new one, so we're gonna swap those out and yeah. Alright, so in case you were wondering how to do this, it's really simple. It's just this piece right here. You literally just put a screwdriver in here, you pry it off just a little bit, and it pops right out. So we're just gonna grab this, put the new one in, and no more cracked crap. Alright, so here's the new one, all one piece, very nice. Open and closes. Beautiful thing, and I should be able to do this with one hand, honestly. It should just snap in here. Am I wrong? I don't want to break it. Okay, I can't do it with one hand. I'll be right back. Alright, so it's in. The trick to this is to, when you install it, if you ever run into this like I did, just install the top part first, so like angle it up and get the top set, and then you could kind of just, the bottom will kind of just snap into place here. So we're good. We're in. Everything works. Beautiful. Super hyped on that. So now this should just sit all nice right there. Beautiful. No more cracks. Oh, so much nicer. Alright guys, so I'm sorry I didn't get the JDM spats on. I really wanted to, but I really don't want to watch. Take two. Alright guys, so I'm sorry that I didn't get the JDM spats on. I really wanted to, but it's just it's too cold, and I really don't want to rush it. And it should be warming up next week. So we'll get them on. Next video will be us installing those. So like I said, I'm going on vacation, so I will not be here next week. I really wanted to get a video out to you guys, to let you guys know that I'm still here. I didn't quit, nothing like that. I've gotten DMs on Instagram, and I actually get hit up fairly often about YouTube videos, which is really nice. If you guys want to hit me up, follow my Instagram, hit me up, DM me, whatever you want to do. It's very nice. I love talking to you guys. So yeah, so the JDM spats, like I said, you guys saw the picture. I'll put that same picture that I put in the beginning of the video now, so you guys can kind of see what it would look like. I'll try to find a silver car. So the JDM spats are gonna be sick. We got the little badges on, so that was cool. And we explained that I'm going on, that I moved, and that I'm going on vacation. And we got the cool badges on. I don't know how I feel about it in the interior just yet. It's kind of cool. It's kind of not. The jet tags. What else? What else is there? That being said, guys, I think that's it. Moving, jet tags, badges, JDM spats, and the vent. I wanted to let you guys know what was going on. Blah blah blah. I'm repeating myself, so I'm gonna end the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you got any questions, leave a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one. Oh wait, guys, before I go, down below, comments, let me know if you guys want to see vacation. I mean, it's not car related. This is a car like vlog channel or automotive channel, but if you guys want to see that, like more into my life, let me know. I will do more vlogs of like non-car stuff, especially because I just moved, so like setting things up and like whatever. Just if you want to see more of me, if you want to see more of this face, you let me know. And I'll see you guys next one.